You've probably heard someone say, "I'm going outside to get some fresh air," as if the air inside isn't fresh, right? Well, often it's not. Inside air can be loaded with airborne allergens, bacteria, odors, and other harmful particles and pollutants. They can make people sick, less productive, or absent from work, and all are costly to employers. Many of these contaminants spread from the inside, which means they're out of the reach of typical air filtration systems. Since we spend 90% of our lives inside, shouldn't we be paying more attention to inside air? That's why we developed Atmos Air. Atmos Air is the only indoor air purification technology that works proactively and within a space to reduce contaminants and pollutants. It restores inside air to what you'd find on a mountaintop. From offices to hospitals, stadiums to schools, Atmos Air provides health and wellness benefits to keep occupants feeling healthier and more productive. Here's how it works. When outdoor air comes into a building, oxygen molecules are carried over specially designed bipolar ion tubes. An energy field converts these molecules into positively and negatively charged ions. These ions then travel into occupied spaces to seek out oppositely charged bad air particles, VOCs, and odors. When they combine, it forces them to break down and drop out of our breathing range to reduce contaminant levels and improve our health and wellness. And to show you it's working, our Atmos Aware indoor environment sensors and monitoring system allow you to see your air quality in real time. Atmos Air lets you confidently design HVAC systems according to ASHRAE's indoor air quality procedure, the more sustainable alternative to the ventilation rate procedure. The IAQP is approved by the EPA, USGBC, and is ASHRAE and IMC compliant. Atmos Air's purification delivers the cleanest indoor air possible, while also enabling reductions in outside air intake for significant energy savings and lower equipment costs on new and retrofit projects. Only Atmos Air gets you cleaner, mountain-fresh inside air and sustainable energy savings, plus proven results that remove up to 95% of ultrafine particles and up to 90% of VOCs. It can minimize HVAC system size by up to 15% and reduce outside air intake by up to 50%. Plus, save up to 30% on HVAC electrical costs with an average 3-year installation cost payback, all while contributing to LEED and WELL building standards. Get the purest inside air, only with Atmos Air. Visit atmosair.com today.